In this video, we will talk about GSC Audit, which is the Google Search Console audit. You can connect your Google Search Console property using this button and it will add that here. Just click on the sync data. Now, going to the GSC Audit here, you will find a selector. You can choose between the topics and the days you want to use. For example, you want to compare from the last 7 days, 28 days, 3 months. You can simply go ahead, for example, 3 months here. It's sync the data from the 3 months. And as you can see, it's actually pretty new website. I've just launched that in December of 2025 and it's growing gradually. So now you will find everything here. You can also sync now if you want to. So here you can see the period comparison with the last period. The clicks change. It's a pretty new website. That is why it's huge. Position change is dropping. So it's fine. Impressions change is also increasing. So there's also a button of generate insights. So what it will do, it will have all the context from these pages, all the reports here, and it will provide you insights what you need to do. So first is the position from the 2, 3, and 5, which is promptflub.com, which is rebranded. I don't think we need to do anything about it. And there is another which is improve meta title and description. There is address 0 clicks despite decent impressions. So these are the insights that you get. So these are the strikers, which is ranking between 2 to 5. So you have already a winner with the position number 1. We don't want to add that in the GSC audit because you know about it. But if you want to find that, you can find that in the report section, which we are going to do in the next video. So for this, and we have a little to-do task for you. For example, the how to claim position number 1, improve the title tag and improve the content and things like that. And you can use our AI chat as well as our WordPress agent if you're on the WordPress website to audit your content. We will do that in the later part. So there's a get more clicks. So here it will show you the keywords with the low CTR compared to the expected improved low CTR. So these are the high impression, low CTR for that. So there is a search trends. Obviously it doesn't have that. Let me shift that to another. There you go. So search trend is the keyword that is losing traffic, and you can use these data to create content around it and improve that page because there may be a outdated section on these pages. So you can audit that. And there is also a section of AI. So here is asking AI, what is the thing that I need to improve? So here you can simply get the AI insights. So what you need to improve on this. So it provides you the answer here. So there's the cannibalization issue. One keyword ranking on multiple pages, that can be a huge issue. So for this, I don't want to include my branded domain. These are the issues that I really want to address because JSON prompt generate, and these are the 2 pages that they are ranking. So these also have this branded domain ranking. So I need to improve that. You can simply click on AI response and it will start generating the response here. So there's a rank higher, which is a top performing keyword, and you can even optimize that to perform even way better. So here you can see these are the positions which is have high impressions and ranking somewhere in the 10 to 20. You can follow this to-do list. You can also ask for the AI for the quick analysis. Let me create this. So there you go. So these are currently positioned in the 11. So what I need to improve to get up to the number 1 ranking, so you can get that all results here. So I think it's done for the GSC audit, and let's go forward to the report section.